Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. On the MATIC chart, we are tracking currently an overall bullish scenario still. We are looking, you see the daily chart by the way, of the June lows. Price rallied in what I believe was a wave one, then an A wave down, a very strong overshooting B wave, and then that's the question, did we come down in 5 waves already here in a C wave, or is this another corrective rally and we make another low? At the moment, the expectations are for another low. As you know, we've been talking about that for many weeks. So I actually can easily change that. I've just sketched out here what it would mean in the yellow wave count. We would need to see a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2, which again is a 5-wave move and a 3-wave move. But I'll take these out now because I haven't revised the bigger picture view here for a while. But on the lower time frame, we've been talking about another low for many weeks now. And it's getting into that direction. So what I'll do, let's actually move that over here. And then we are expecting another low. And as long as price doesn't get a sustained break below the 48.5 cent level, we should be able to get a third wave rally to the upside. Now, be careful here because yes, 48.5 cents, that's the 78.6 retracement level. I don't want to see normally a break below that level. However, there are some Fibonacci extensions that point below. For example, here 46.7 cents is another target level that we could see, and we're going to zoom in a minute, to get the detailed perspective in this C wave here to the downside. Also, we need to understand if we look at the log chart, on the logarithmic chart, the 78.6 fib level is basically at 42 cents. So that would basically be the 88.7 fib level at 41 cents, very close together on the linear chart. So I give it space, I allow it to come down to around about 41, 42 cents, and I'm still going to track an overall bullish scenario. But just please be aware that below 41 cents, we have to expect that price will also come down to the June 22 lows, and then we have to look for new bear market lows. So the 41 cent level for me is the key threshold level. I think a bearish scenario already gets more likely below 46.7 cents. But let's see if it's holding. I mean, based on the analysis, we shouldn't be far off from at least having a chance to complete this overall correction. So you now see the chart of the July highs, and you can see that the price is coming down in an ABC structure. This is considered ABC because the entire move of the high here, in this C wave, it's an ending diagonal, so I consider that an ABC structure. It might be a WXY like the Solana chart, and then this is an ABC, but it wouldn't make a massive difference. The key is here that we most recently had this resistance area that we talked about. Basically, AB now in a C wave down. In this C wave, we have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3. This was probably a 4, even though it was deep. And the wave 5 to the downside is unfolding now. Basically the last wave down, tracking 5 waves again, and then ending diagonal. Very choppy, very difficult to do those micro counts. But this for me is the most reliable wave count. And here we most recently tracked the B wave. You can see there's no need to change the wave count if it works, right? Seems like price reacted here to the resistance area twice, okay, and is now coming down further. And then we talked about potential targets here. It should get next to 48.6 cents. Obviously, tracking here again an ABC structure in wave 3. I understand if that gets all a bit confusing, but if you're hanging around, you'll understand that. But ending diagonals, basically, if this is an ending diagonal, we have 5 waves, and each of these subwaves we have ABC structures. We can calculate the target for the wave C in wave 3 with the Fibonacci extension tool. A typical target is the 1-to-1 ratio to watch out for, and that's at around 51.1 cents. So seems like at some point here the third wave should be done, then we should get a small 4th wave and a 5th wave in this small C wave at around 51 cents, roughly. But then if you go any more into into this kind of detail, into this level of detail, you will understand that this is highly distorted. You see a lot of distortions, nothing stopping price from developing some kind of a weird, I don't know, triangle maybe here in this B wave. That's still possible. So this can always extend out a little bit, but the key is that against the resistance level of 57.6 cents, we focus on lower currently. yeah, that's my update about Matic. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.